follow the seasons.
I remember when Bishop prophesied to me 5 years ago that God set and appointed a man to become my husband, and I will marry a man who's connected to David. God is so amazing na ang tagal ka na palang binigay sa akin ni Lord.
Yung kuya ko, it's celebrating 10 years wedding anniversary, and my ate's 5th year anniversary today. So every 5 years, may kinakasal sa amin. So I believe it's perfect timing.
The embers, I could stay here forever by your side at the edge of the water.
I waited and prepared for this moment. And never I have imagined that it will be you.
Hold fast, hold true. I'm gonna carry you, and just like I'll do, you're gonna carry me too.
Everybody's looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete. But I think I already found the one that makes my life complete. And that is you, my love. It's been more than 3 years that we've been together.
Finally, after more than 3 years, nandito na tayo, mahal. This is it. We're closing chapter of our love story, and we're opening another one. So I'm excited.
Sabi ko, Lord, yung unang boyfriend ko, yun yung magiging asawa ko. And God is so faithful. Sabi niya nga sa Isaiah, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
Feeling that I got when we were walking hand in hand. You looked at me, looking at you, and there was nothing we could do to stop the moment from sweeping us.
That's the way I say thank you for being here, to accepting the role of groomsman.
I was caught, I'm never ever gonna give you up.
Part of us, your friends, na malulungkot, pero we're so happy for you. Alam ko kasi yung journey mo talaga, kaya alam ko sobrang deserve mo to.
You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it forever.
Every morning, I thank God. Lagi ko sinasabi na, Lord, thank you kasi libre yung binigay mo sa akin.
Every day.
Yeah.
The day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah, we will. To my husband to be, this is it, mahal ko. This is the day that the Lord has made. Making the decision to get married to you has been one of the best choices I have made in my life.
You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it.
Ate Chi!
I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
I'm excited to wake up beside you every morning, to watch the sunshine in your face.
Pandemic days, so lahat ng tao is nakakulong, ganun. So I met her na online live streaming. And then, nung umuwi ako 2 years ago, that's the first time we met in person. I was happy na nayakap ko siya, halikan.
If I could tell you all the things you are to me, I try to fit them all inside this song.
I remember before, yung pababa ako dun sa airport, nung nakita ko siya dun sa my waiting area, parang yung nasa paligid niya is tumigil. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko, yeah, this is it. Siya na talaga, sabi ko.
Our love will see us through.
I feel lost and hopeless na minsan sa video call, iiyak na lang ako at magkukwento sa'yo. You are there and you never give up on me.
Mine, only mine. Even the ghosts.
Love, I'm so excited of what God brings to us.
Excited sa kung ano pang gagawin ni Lord sa buhay namin dalawa ni Bryce.
Close, it starts to.
Sobrang saya. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling ko. Basta yung puso ko lang masaya.
You are the place my life began, and you be where it ends. I love you so much, Malcolm.
Hard to be yours, only yours, and every part of you will be mine, only mine. Even the ghosts and all the fears, even the most uncertain years, I'll hold you close. It starts tonight, the night when the lives intertwine.
Ikaw ang mamahalin ko araw-araw at ikaw ang pipiliin ko habang buhay. I'm excited to start this new season with you. I am yours today, tomorrow, and forever. Ever and ever.
Love you.